Hey buddy, you know what rejection and a gift of fate have in common? That's right, nothing. But today I'm going to tell you how Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, learned how to turn every no into an opportunity. And it's not just ancient wisdom. It's a working method that will change your life. Imagine this. You get a message. Your heart drops. Your hands shake. Another rejection. It sounds familiar, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this very moment could be the turning point in your life? Does that sound like a fairy tale? You're about to find out. You know why most people break down after rejection? They see it as the end. Great people see the beginning. Steve Jobs got fired from Apple. He created Pixar. Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper for lack of imagination. He built an entertainment empire. Marcus Aurelius lost 7 children and wrote a book that has been saving lives for 2,000 years. What's the secret? A simple principle. Rejection is not about you. It's about the situation. When you're told no, you get 3 things: honest information, freedom of choice, and a chance to get stronger. It's like in the gym. Your muscles grow from resistance. Your character grows from saying no. But there is one important point. You need to know how to use rejection correctly. Marcus Aurelius created a system that has worked for 2,000 years. First, accept rejection as a fact. No drama, no stories in your head. Just a fact. 2, find the benefit in it. Anything, even the smallest. 3, take the next step. Right away, don't delay. Let's use an example. You've been denied a promotion. The normal reaction is resentment and anger. The Stoic reaction is to analyze and act. What exactly do you need to improve? What skills do you need to sharpen? What experience do you need to gain? Every rejection is a free audit of your life. But the best part, science confirms the wisdom of the Stoics. Studies show that people who view rejection as information rather than defeat are 3 times more likely to succeed. Why? Because they don't waste energy on resentment. They use it to grow. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "An obstacle in the way of action promotes action. That which stands in the way becomes the way." Profound, isn't it? Every rejection is a signpost. It shows you where you need to get stronger, smarter, better. Here are 3 practical steps you can take right now. 1. Take your most recent rejection. Find 3 useful points in it, any of them. 2nd, make a list of specific actions. What exactly can you improve? 3rd, start taking action. Right now. Remember, there are no failures in this world. There are only lessons. Use them wisely. Every failure brings you closer to your goal. It's not pretty words. It's the math of life. The more rejections you get, the closer you get to success. One last thing. The next time you get a rejection, smile. You've just gotten a free lesson in growth. Use it. Take action. And remember, the greatest victories often begin with the word no.